Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Lydia, and I'm going to explain how I made this bread. I love to make this almost every time at home. I don't like to buy breads anymore. So we'll go straight into the action. I love to sift my flour, and that helps to remove any particle that is not wanted. And then after that, I'll go into proofing the yeast. I use active yeast, so I like to use warm water or one milk, sugar, mix all together, and then allow it to sit for 10 to 15 minutes to rise. So after that, I will mix the flour with the dry ingredients. That is the salt and every other dry ingredients. Then mix that, add your egg, add your butter, and then add the egg, and then add the yeast mixture. After that, mix everything until the dough turns out smooth and nice, and then you can now do the kneading. Kneading takes up to if you're using your hands, it takes up to 10 to 15 minutes. Or if you have a mixer, then it's just like 5 minutes to knead. When that is done, grease your bowl and then add the bread in there, cover, and let it rise for 1 hour or more than that. But I always wait once it doubles in size. I don't have to wait any longer. I will go ahead and shape it. And after shaping, I would, put it in the bread pan for another 45 minutes to rise. And before all this, I've already preheated my oven, set my oven at 355 degrees. I will leave it for 45 minutes for the second proofing. I will transfer the bread into the oven to bake. I have the longer version of this recipe in my channel. If you want a longer part of it, I was detailed enough, step-by-step guide, so you can easily go to my channel and watch the video. And that's it for today, and I will see you next time when I upload the next video. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel. If you're a new YouTuber and you're into cooking, I'm looking for people to collaborate with. Let me know if you're interested in the comment section, and we will set the ball rolling. Have a nice day, and bye.